Today on the Mod channel, we're going to be learning how to do printing in Python. Let's get started. First, you want to go and download Python on your PC if you haven't already. So head over to the first link in the description and download the latest version for your PC. Even if you have Mac or Linux, you can still install it. Next, you need to head over to the Windows Start and go to the search bar and search for idle. Not Python, but idle, because idle is the editor for the code. Here it is. And here we are. So this is the idle. Now, I want you to do a little test. Type in the word print, brackets, speech marks, hello world, and close the speech marks and close the brackets. Then press enter to execute the code, and you should say hello world on the line underneath. Here you go. Okay, next, head over to file, new file, and you've now got this untitled window. Now this is where you can actually code a program and then you can execute it afterwards. So now I'm going to show you another feature in Python. These are called comments. So you type a hashtag and then type something. This was made by. So now anything that's with the hashtag and is on this line with the hashtag will not be shown when you execute the code. So if I type in something underneath, so we use the same statement, print. So print, brackets, speech marks. You could not see that comment. Then close the speech marks. Always remember to close the speech marks and close the brackets, otherwise when you execute it, it won't work. So then press enter, and then you have to save it first before you can actually run the program. So press run module, then it'll ask you to save, press OK. Now I am going to save it on my desktop as first program, there we go. And now it's saved, and now as you can see, you could not see that comment. So whatever I typed here, this file was made by Mog, you could not see that when I executed it. So I'll try again. Okay, so when I press on here, you press F5 on your keyboard, F5, and then you can see as it is executed, it says restart. You could not see that comment. Thank you guys for watching this short video. I hope you found it useful. Please stick around the channel for more Python videos and more videos like this. And make sure you try Python for yourself, because it is a really good and easy language to get into if you're just starting coding. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.